Hi dear all, hope all are well. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you all my some views regarding uh, how to become happy from inside. I want to elaborate that no any outside ways or no any bullshit ways uh, made you happy until unless you become happy from inside a soul. So whatever the ways you implement to grab the property or grab the position or status by wrong way, it will take you at highest position but not let you stay there for a more time. Within a short period of time you will be vanished. Maybe after seeking, somebody think that after seeking money I will be happy, after seeking a peaceful life by other ways I will be happy, after marriage I will get to heaven. But these are not the only ways to make you happy. You have to try all the ways in right way. I mean, don't apply bullshit way to make you happy. Here I want to share with you one of short story. It will be elaborate my my views in better way. Once there was a bull and pigeon. A small bird was good friend, and they are grazing. Bull was grazing in the field, and pigeon was playing with the stick. Suddenly, a pigeon, a small bird, very nostalgically see a tall tree, big tree, at the edge of the field, and says that once there was a time I used to sit at top of the tree and enjoy the surrounding. I used to fly very top trees and enjoy all the scenery. But now I don't have enough strength in my wings, so I can't. Then at last, bull was its friend. So bull see that pigeon and says that, "Don't worry, my friend. I have some ways to make you happy or to make you more strengthful." Then pigeon says, how it is possible? Then it says that bull says to pigeon that, try, why not to try a little bit my dung every day. Eat little bit dung every day, and you will get enough strength to fly at top of the tree. Then in very nervous mind, it pigeon says that, my friend, don't make a joke. I'm serious. How it is possible? Then bull said that, why not it is possible? Every humankind or so many humanity trying for it. Why not you? In very hesitant mind, that pigeon agreed to do this, and he start to eat a bull dung every day. And the miracle happened. On the very first day, the pigeon reached to the first branch of the tree, and within a fortnight of time, it reached top of the tree. It sit on top of the tree and enjoyed all the surrounding, looking here and there, and it was very happy that I am reach at top of the tree by eating a bull dung. Suddenly, the farmer, old farmer, the owner of that field, came there. He saw that peasant, a small bird, seated at top of the tree. Then he removed a gun from his pocket and shot down the peasant immediately. So, what is the moral of this story? My friends, even a bullshit can help you to reach at top of the position or top of the status, but this way not let you stay there a more time, maximum time, or shortly you have to ruin your life. So always grab property or money or position in right way. Don't apply any second ways or a wrong way to grab the position. It will let you stay or let you get all these things what you want, but not let you stay there more time. This is the moral of the story, and hope you will like this story and you will work on this in right way. Thank you very much. Bye.